Hello everyone. Many of my teacher friends and sometimes students ask me about my process of making reels. If you followed my Instagram page or YouTube, you might know that almost every day I publish something. Mostly it is about language. So they ask me about the process. So let me explain the whole process. First of all, I think about the topic. If it is a word, then I think about a word. I do a lot of research using authentic material, Oxford, Cambridge, Longman, Collins, Macmillan. And then I prepare my Word document. And after so much of experience, I know that if I have this much content, then it will require about 1 minute and 15 or 20 seconds. So I prepared that Word document on my PC or laptop. And then I send it to my WhatsApp account. So I have it in my WhatsApp. But that content is in my mind. So I rehearse that content a couple of times. After that, I'll tell you what I actually do. This is my simple mobile, iPhone 10, an old one. Then I use this microphone. This microphone, it's a very nice microphone. So what I do, I turn it on and then I fix it. Then on my mobile, there are two, connectors. So you have to connect these two connectors, and then you turn it on. You fix it on a stand like this. And one microphone is never enough because sometimes there may be some noise. It might stop working in the middle. So I use two microphones, and the other microphone is this condenser microphone. This is my recent acquisition. I have bought it recently. It's a wonderful microphone, but this condenser microphone requires a USB interface. So this is my audio array USB interface, and there is a USR cable connected. You can see that cable connected, and because of that the audio quality is usually very good. By the way, I am not recording this particular video using that audio array interface. And then I have a stand also, another stand. Sometimes I want to keep it very near me. Sometimes I want to keep the text, some points near me. So I use this also. And this is a light which I sometimes use. And I have another microphone. Sometimes when I am recording directly in my PC or laptop, then I use another USB microphone. So with this I record, and obviously I keep my water bottle all the time with me because I need to take a lot of water at regular intervals. So I record in my mobile, and after that I send it to my own Telegram account, from where I download that in my PC, and then I use Filmora, Wondershare software to edit my video, because sometimes when you record there may be some guest or there may be some noise, or sometimes you make a mistake and you want to remove that part. So I use Wondershare, Filmora, and I always add text, because sometimes if you just watch the video you probably may not understand certain things. So you need, as a viewer, you feel that there is a need to add some appropriate text. So I add some text, I add some effects sometimes if I have time, and then that part is the video. But audio, what I have downloaded, what I have recorded using my audio array and condenser microphone, that I take in my Audacity. That's another piece of software, and in that I do some editing. There are hundreds of things that we need to do: noise removal, and then compressor and this and that. Then equalizer also. Sometimes you feel that certain words you have spoken at a very high pitch, and you lower that pitch, and finally that audio is a separate file. The video that you have in my Wondershare, Filmora, so I put them together. I need to adjust because audio and video files are separate. So I need to adjust exactly where I speak certain words. So once that is ready, then I download that in an MP4 format. That is in my PC. Then again I have to send it to my mobile via Telegram. Then every video has to have some kind of If it is a YouTube, then you require that thumbnail, and if it is a reel, then you require a cover page. So I use Canva, another piece of software. Using that I prepare YouTube thumbnail or the cover page for a reel. I download that in my PC, again I send it to my mobile via Telegram. Then I prepare an appropriate text for that particular video. So in the description part I need to keep proper text. So I prepare that, and along with that I also add some hashtags. So I do some little bit of research on hashtags according to the topic, and that also I send it to WhatsApp. So everything now is available in my mobile in WhatsApp or Telegram. So I download everything in my mobile, and then from there I upload. And when I upload, very often I use the schedule option, especially in YouTube's. So every day in the morning at 8 o'clock the video is uploaded automatically. I just schedule it. So this is the entire process. I might have missed a couple of points actually, because there is so much. So this is the way I prepare my videos. You can see my setup, you can see the data that I use, material I use. If you have any questions, you can ask me. One of the questions people normally ask me is, how long does it take to make a reel? So usually it takes about 3 hours to make a reel of 1 minute 25 seconds. And when you make a reel shorter than that, and if you upload it on YouTube, it is automatically converted into shorts, which I don't want, because in shorts you can't add the thumbnail. So I usually keep my videos between 1 minute and say 1 minute and 25 seconds. So that is good enough for YouTube as well as Instagram Reels. So I hope everything is clear now. If you need any more guidance, help, support, please feel free to contact me. I am Wondershare from Surat. Thank you very much.